So welcome to video number 9, and this particular video is going to be part 3 of the extract the information that you need the fastest route. And in this particular video we are going to be talking about filtering. Filtering is a great way to sort things and organize things and find things. So adding filter buttons to your headers to enable you to quickly sort or view them. So that's what we're going to be doing, and you can pull out sheet number 6 and get ready as we will discuss it first, and then of course after we've discussed it and you've kind of got an idea of how things work, we will dive in and I'll pull out the sheet and you can walk step by step and apply it as we go. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be utilizing the feature of filtering, as you can see in the icon. And as you can see here, we have 3 different columns, column A, B, and C. Column A being the name, column B being the email, and column C being the different companies that, as you can see, are color coded. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to filter and we only want to see all the rows from the green company, or all the rows from the yellow company, or all the rows only from a certain set of names. Well, we can actually do that with filtering. So filtering is very, very different than sorting. It's the ability to basically search for specific items. So filtering is actually very easy to do, and especially we can find it via the color coding, and we can do a lot more. So let's go and show it to you in action. So what we can do is we're going to pull up sheet number 6, and as you can see to the left, this is where we can actually practice the exercise. Now obviously to the right, this is what it should look like. So you should be able to see these columns right here. So what I want to do in this case is we want to make sure that we select these words up here. So essentially we're going to be able to do searching from over here. So we don't want to select this, we want to select the names of the columns. So that's going to be A2, B2, and C2. Now, when you do that, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you are in the Home tab. All the way where it says Sort and Filter, we want to select Filter. Now, by doing that, you can see these arrows here, right? Now, if I click on the arrow, I can sort by color. Now, by sorting by color, I'm filtering it out. So as you can see, now, while that allows me to sort it, I can actually select just from the yellow company. So let's say, for example, that if I select this and down here, I'm going to unselect all. And let's say, for example, that I just want everything from green company. So I'm going to click that, click OK. And as you can see, it has removed everything except from the green company. Now, if I click this again, and I only want everything from the yellow company, you can see that it displays everything just from the yellow company. So this is actually very convenient, especially when you're trying to filter by color, coding, and different categories as well. So this is why filtering makes things a lot easier when you're trying to search a big list of items and you're trying to find a commonality and you search just for that commonality. And you're able to categorize it with that commonality.